Hey guys, welcome to my new unboxing video. In this video, I'll be unboxing Realme's latest mid-end smartphone, Realme 6 Pro. First of all, I would like to give a huge shout out to Realme UAE for giving me this review unit. As always, I'll be covering the main aspect of this smartphone like design, display, sound quality, performance, and definitely the camera. This smartphone is retailing for 1,130 AD, which is like 23,000 Indian currency and $307 US. One of the best thing about this device is its 90Hz display, which is really cool, especially for its price point. If you want to see all my latest unboxing videos, you can click over here to see them. If it's your first time on my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon to see all my future videos. And please don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you like this video. So let's start the video. This is 128GB, 8GB RAM, lightning blue color variant. It also comes in lightning red and orange color options. You get a 30-watt fast charger, which is really incredible as it can charge the smartphone 100% in less than an hour. A USB Type-C cable, a mandatory SIM ejector tool, and a TPU case for the device protection. There is no earphones inside the box. Now let's see the smartphone itself and boot it up for the first time. In terms of design, I would say it's an impressive design with Corning Gorilla Glass on the front and the back. The lightning blue color is definitely eye-catching and it has a lightning effect when you turn the phone around. The camera does protrude out a bit, but no complaints as it is one of the best cameras for its price. From the front side, it has a pill-shaped notch for the selfie camera. Apart from that, the bezels are minimum all around. It comes with a screen protector pre-installed right out of the box, which is quite impressive. Now let's talk about the physical overview of this smartphone. On the right side, you have the power button, which is also a fingerprint scanner to unlock the smartphone. On the left, you have the volume up and down button and a triple SIM slot. You can use dual SIM card and a micro SD card together. At the bottom, you have the good old headphone jack, a main microphone, USB Type-C port, and a speaker grill. On the top, there is a secondary microphone. Overall, I would say that the design is quite impressive, except for the pill-shaped camera notch on the front. Now let's talk about its display. It's rocking a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus IPS display, which is decent and the colors and the contrast are good. Outside visibility is also decent, but it doesn't get too bright. The best thing about this display is 90Hz refresh rate, which makes this device feels like a flagship smartphone. In the beginning, I felt there was some hiccups and frame drops, but after the latest update, it's quite smooth. In terms of performance, it has a Snapdragon 720G processor, which is quite good, but don't expect a powerhouse performance from this device. It does shine in gaming and performs well while playing graphic-intensive games. In terms of security, it comes with a fingerprint scanner and a face unlock option, and in my testing, both are quite fast and reliable. Now let's test the sound quality of this smartphone. It does sound quite loud but lacks the bass in the sound. Now let's talk about its camera. On the rear, it has a quad camera setup with a main 64-megapixel sensor, an 8-megapixel wide-angle lens, a 12-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 2-megapixel macro lens. It can shoot up to 4K 30 frames per second from the rear camera. On the front, it has a 16-megapixel selfie camera and an 8-megapixel ultra wide-angle lens. It can shoot up to 1080p with 30 frames per second from the front camera. Now let's enjoy some photos and videos shot from this smartphone. I'm quite impressed with this smartphone's camera for both photos and videos. It's really impressive. It does struggle for videos in low light scenario, but the night mode is quite decent. This is the 4K video recording recording on Realme 6 Pro. The stabilization looks quite good. Now this is the video quality in 1080p 30 frames per second. And also the stabilization test. I think stabilization looks quite good in 4K as well as 1080p both. In conclusion, I would say that there are a lot of positives with this smartphone, especially for its price. 30-watt fast charger, impressive camera, 90Hz of display and a good battery life with its 4300 mAh of battery. For its negative points, I would say it's just nitpicking. The LCD screen is good but lacks the punchy colors. The sound quality is loud but lacks the bass. Sometimes you feel it's not running at 90Hz refresh rate while opening applications or doing multitasking. And the pill-shaped notch can bother you while watching videos. Now apart from these few things, it's an incredible smartphone for its price. And definitely I will recommend this smartphone to everyone as it's real value for money. Once again, Realme has delivered. That's all for this video guys. If you have reached till here, then do hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you soon in my next one. Till then, goodbye and peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.